Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. We are talking Halloween. Are you ready? Little Peep Halloween 1. If it says 1 at the top, I guess that means there might be another one. Ooh. Okay, Halloween 1, Little Peep. These are little costumes for our little peeps. Oh, now, what are little peeps? Little peeps, there are little boys, there are little girls, there's a giraffe, a horse, a zebra, a monkey, a pig, a lamb. So many different guys are little peeps that you can interchange all of their clothing. But you know what? We've had a lot of requests for Halloween costumes. So here are a few. We have our cute little kitty cat, our Frankenstein, a little pumpkin to wear around their on their body. Here's one, trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. There's a little extra scar stamp on here, or there's a little kitty cat face. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to share my samples with you. But something else we might need for Halloween are some orange epoxy dots. Now the cool thing about these orange epoxy dots, there are 4 sheets in here of orange. They're different color of oranges, and one of them is a glitter sheet of oranges. So it's these 3 colors, but with glitter. I know, it's absolutely amazing. Perfect time for Halloween, right? Also, we're releasing the die word Halloween. I know it doesn't look like much here. Ready? This is what it looks like. We're just doing Halloween because chances are you've already purchased one of our cheerful dies that has the word happy already. Why should I sell you something you already have, right? Why should I raise the price on the word Halloween? You're just paying for the Halloween because you already have the happy. So now you have happy Halloween. Now, last but not least, this is a limited edition item. Once it's gone for good. This is a 10-piece Spectrum Noir limited edition pen set. This includes, are you ready? It includes a tri-blend brush, 3 different colors, all exclusive to this kit. You don't have these colors. A tri-blend regular 3-in-1, 2 different. Tricolor metallic, tricolor aqua, classique dual tip, a glitter marker ×2, acrylic marker, and a sparkle brush pen. Exclusive colors, my friends. Limited edition. Once it's gone, it's gone. So if you're watching this video and you can't find this on our website, that means it's gone. Just saying, okay? Limited edition, fun colors you don't have. Yay! Okay, let's look at some of our samples. Our Happy Halloween was a hit with our design team. Look at how fun with our cute little ghosts on the background. Or you could use the little pumpkins instead of a little costume. You could use them by themselves to make them cute little jack-o'-lanterns. Happy Halloween. Here's another cute one, Happy Halloween, with that cute little orange. Absolutely love that. Ooh, look at this one. Look how fun that is. Happy up here, Halloween with our cute little ghosts. Spooky greetings. This is using the Starry Night background, the dotted ovals, Halloween to build dies, the haunted house to stamp, the gnome fold it, leaves her fall, and the cheerful Happy Halloween. It all goes together so gorgeous, doesn't it? Here's a cute one. Happy Halloween. Look at how fun those cute guys are. Now, the little ghosts come from the haunted house to stamp dies, okay? So I know some people are going to ask about that. Those little ghosts are from the haunted house to stamp. Here's our cute little guys all dressed up. Look at that giraffe dressed as Frankenstein. Is that the cutest little thing you ever saw? Our little cutie pie girl over here dressed as a kitty cat. Look how fun. Now, are you ready for this? You might see some sneak peeks in this one, just a heads up. But look at how gorgeous this is. We have Frankenstein, we have a mummy, we have a court jester, or a little, yeah, I guess a little court jester, and a cute little kitty cat with pigtails. With pigtails. I'm going to put that right over there because that's adorable. Then we have, oh, use our house fold it. House fold it in the house. Look at this. Look at that fun little ghost. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. You could use the little jack-o'-lantern instead of a little costume. You could use it to have little goodies in it, again with our cute little pigtails. Or you could make a little boy. This is little Peeps Liam with his Halloween costume on, ready to go. Or you could make an amazing banner. How fun is this? Ready? Ready for this? Look at how cute that is. Trick or treat. We have our little, let's look at all of them. We have our little Frankenstein over here with our haunted house. We have a mummy and a witch. Ooh, scary. Big old spider webs in the corner. Here we go. And we have our haunted house again with a cute little, oh, kitty made into a tiger. Yay, I love it. Okay, couple more. Here's a cute little kitty cat holding a little treat jack-o'-lantern. Here's another one holding a little treat jack-o'-lantern, another little kitty cat, so fun. Or you could use those jack-o'-lanterns, look how cute that is, as decorations by themselves. And here's another one. That Frankenstein is so adorable. Look how cute he is. I absolutely love it. Get ready to get your little peeps dressed up for Halloween. So much fun. Club members, of course you're getting the club discount on all of these products, and if you're not in the club, I don't know what to tell you. You're missing out. 15% off every single thing you see in this video. How amazing would that be? It's like a sale every single day. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, and just watch the video. You can be in the club for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set each month. Pretty amazing, right? Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Club members, you already know the deal. If I went too fast on any of these projects, never fear. Our online gallery is on our website. It has over 25,000 ideas, all organized by product. So go to that product, click on the View the Gallery, and you can see all of those items and even more. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.